This is Phone Arena's video review of the HTC Touch Cruise, the successor of the P3300 Artemis. There has been some changes in both design and functionality. A device with a beautiful design, able to keep up with many tasks, which is mainly because of the Windows Mobile 6 professional operating system. The shape and the size of the HTC phone has remained the same, but the overall appearance has changed. The main factor is the 2.8-inch TFT display, which though easy to use is a fingerprint magnet. With its resolution of 240 by 320 pixels and capable to produce up to 65,000 colors, it is identical to the one seen in the previous model. When the screen is not turned on, or when in direct sunlight, it turns into a mirror. Right underneath it are the answer reject call buttons accompanied by the shortcuts for the GPS and Internet Explorer. All of them are located on a smooth metal surface which fits the new vision very well. The rotating 4-way navigational wheel with the enter key in the middle is still here, but it is redesigned and is easier to use. On the left side we have the volume slider and the voice command button, and the restart button is now placed right next to the mini USB slot and the strap hole which are on the bottom. The camera shutter, the stylus and the microSD slot, which were previously located below the lid, are on the right. The power button has been relocated to the top of the phone. The camera with the small mirror, the loudspeaker and the slot for the additional GPS antenna are to be found on the back of the phone. Even the design of the back is nice but still comfortable because of the rubber coat. The operating system which the Cruise runs on is Windows Mobile 6 Professional and is identical to the one seen in the HTC Touch Duo. Here we also have Touch Flow 2 with optimized interface for a better finger control. Same as with the Duo, the service icons and the start menu are enlarged in order to make them easier to press by fingers. The Task Manager is at the same place, the upper right corner, and it allows you to close all active applications with 1 or 2 clicks. In the 4 tabs of the home screen, you will find the clock with information on calls and messages, weather application, launcher, with 9 customizable shortcuts and profiles, allowing the fast transition between the separate modes and choosing a ringtone. When we are talking about customizable shortcuts, there is no way not to mention Touch Flow Cube. For those of you who are not familiar with that function, we'll explain. In short, by running your finger upwards, 3-page menu opens, through which you can go by a similar movement along the display, but from left to right. The menu has access to the following options: shortcuts to email, messaging, internet and organizer, shortcuts to 9 speed dial contacts and phone functions, and music, photos and videos. In contrast to the Artemis, these surprises do not end with the personalization of the home screen only. A vertical scroll with all possible symbols has replaced the old tabs in the phone book. They enlarge when you run your fingers through them, making choosing a letter easier. That reminds us of the iPhone and is far more convenient than the other Windows Mobile 6 phones. Viewing the pictures taken is very different from the previous model. The possibilities of the new touch flow are revealed here. Now by running a finger or stylus across the screen, you can change the picture, zoom in and out, and etc. For audio playback, HTC has equipped the Cruise with their Audio Manager. Its interface allows easy control with fingers. You can sort music in your playlist by artist, album, genre and composer. If you are looking for a music phone, you should try the Walkman series by Sony Ericsson, which has been especially created with that purpose. The camera interface is the same as in Touch Duo. You can snap a picture of an interesting moment or loved ones, but do not expect something with a really good quality, even for a camera phone. The details are blurred, there is a lot of noise, and the colors are monotonous. As a direct successor to Artemis, HTC Touch Cruise has a built-in GPS chipset. The one used here is GPS-1, which has been employed in the top model Titan II. On top of that, the phone comes preloaded with the TomTom 6 Navigator, which is quite a popular navigation program. Unfortunately, there are no preloaded maps, but when you start the system for the first time, you get the option to download a free map for a specific city. HTC Touch Cruise combines a beautiful vision with rich functionality. It is also equipped with a fast GPS, Wi-Fi and high-speed 3G. You get a user and finger-friendly interface as a bonus. The HTC Touch Cruise is definitely worth your attention if you like the features it offers, that is. And if not, try HTC's top mods, the Titan II or the fast HP iPAQ 640 Business Navigator. Please visit phonearena.com for our full text review with many pictures and a 360 degrees view.